Welcome to today's meditation. Take a moment to get into a comfortable position, and whenever you're ready, allow your eyes to close and bring your attention to the breath. Take a minute or two to just settle into your breathing, starting to notice your body as it breathes, resting and relaxing in the soothing rhythm of the breath. Now that your body has slowed down a bit, prepare for this mindfulness exercise by allowing your body posture and facial expression to become compassionate. Feel free to play around with postures and facial expressions, but whatever expression and posture you go with, they should be gentle. Now, think of a time when someone was kind to you. This should not be a time when someone was kind to you because you were in distress. The point of this exercise is not to focus on your distress, but on the desire to be kind and to help others. Put on your compassionate expression and adopt the compassionate body posture you've cultivated as you remember the compassion you received. Recall how it felt to receive that kindness. Focus on the kinds of things this person said, as well as their tone of voice when they spoke. Spend a minute thinking about the expressions of the person who was kind to you and mimicking them if that helps. If you're having trouble remembering them, imagine the person moving towards you with a smile on their face or their head tilted to one side. While recalling the memory, focus on the important sensory qualities of your memory. Try the following steps. Focus on the kinds of things this person said, as well as the tone of voice when they spoke. Next, focus on the feeling of the emotion in the person, what they really felt for you at that moment. Finally, focus on the entire experience. Think about whether they touched you in a friendly or comforting way, or whether they helped you in some other way. Allow the experience of gratitude and joy in being helped to grow within you. Remember to keep your expression as compassionate as you can. Now, whenever you're ready, let the memory gently fade, coming slowly out of the exercise, and take a moment to contemplate how you felt before, during, and after this mindfulness exercise. Namaste.